Yo, what up guys? Welcome back to the channel and to the video. Today we're going to be working on the RX7. Mainly, we're just going down the list that Ape made for us of all of the things that are wrong with it. Today we're going to be replacing the lower front control arms that are super mangled. Front lower control arms we picked up at JDM Source, which was like 10 minutes away from our shop. And these look like they're in decent shape. And also, yesterday I got this in the mail. Whoa. Got this Rocket Bunny spoiler for the RX7. Shout outs to the person who overnighted this from Melbourne for me. I got this in like 2 days after ordering it from eBay. For anyone wondering where I get most of my parts, Amazon and eBay. Honestly, as long as the shop or the seller is reputable, has like a 98.5 and up rating, I'd say they're trustworthy. And by now, like, they have all of these safety precautions, so losing your money or being scammed is pretty rare nowadays. But yeah, this was super cheap. I got it for like $180 Canadian, plus shipping and customs and all that good stuff. But this is a legitimate Rocket Bunny spoiler. Wanna see what it looks like? Fits really nicely too. As long as you line it up with the trunk, if it doesn't move any more than that, it's exactly where it should be. So this will be an easy install. So quickly wrap that black before we install it. And then my friend LJ is gonna come by because he's way more knowledgeable in cars than I am. And he's gonna be the one helping me install my lower front control arms. All right, let's get it. All right, let's get started. Okay. LG is here now. What up, homie?
Hello.
Appreciate it. Thank you for the help. As always, got his tools. And yeah, I think we're just gonna move the RX7 here, lift it up. Hopefully we'll have enough room to work with.
Are you gonna go back to pop-ups? Or like keeping it?
That's what everyone wants me to do, man. But honestly,
I like this one.
Yeah, the reason why, what drew me in was like the front bumper, but then the sleek headlights, and then I did some research. Those are actually really expensive parts, man. And then to convert it, it takes some work, so I'm like, I'm not gonna touch it. But yeah, if I wanted to, I'd have to like figure out the mechanics, right? LJ came to the conclusion that maybe the guy before was running a super aggressive wheel fitment, and yeah, over the years it just kept running around and grinding it down. So that's what it looks like. It's almost half eaten all the way through.
Oh, what kind of wheels does he have though? That's what I'm wondering.
That's true.
But yeah, that's what happened though.
Hey, LJ got one side off. Look at that. Any more speed bumps and maybe it could have cracked. That's messed up, dude.
No, that thing is sketchy.
Yeah.
The other one was way worse though. The other one.
Yeah.
Is way worse. Need brakes. Okay, nice. This is it. too bad. Ow!
Oh, fuck.
What if it was welded?
Oh, man.
From Japan. I don't want to touch it.
It's too hot.
No, it's just stuck in there. JDM style, man.
It ain't going nowhere.
Yeah.
Alright, it's time to put the new used one in. But, just so you guys see. Pretty gross. Alright, LG, my man. So he's just loosened up most of the bolts. Make the install pretty easy.
And we broke that part. Well, it wasn't broken, it was just... stuck
Super
on
seized.
Dude, I think it's welded. Look at it.
Oh, look, yeah, you're right.
Dude, it's welded.
Damn, only in Japan, huh? They couldn't get the sauce, so they sold it.
We found the bolt. Perfect size fit. LG just got this. This is the, okay, I was gonna say driver's side, but this is passenger side. It's way more mangled than the other side.
Yeah, the other side's way better.
It's actually so close, man. Garbage.
That.
Damn.
You see the rubber right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Like this part is super shiny.
Right, so it's basically being like
Yeah.
buffed by the wheel. LG is right. I think it was just a very aggressive fitting wheel that was just grinding this down while...
I'm wondering what wheels they had.
I'm gonna see if I can find like an old photo or something. I know there's one drifting photo, but the wheels were going too fast. It's hard to tell.
That thing is gonna crack.
So the secret to installing the spoiler is once you know that it's centered and there's the same amount of space on both sides, then just lightly push it in the center between these two holes. And if it can't go any further this way, then you can start drilling. We're gonna start with these two, and then we'll probably just do the ends and 3M in between. Sweet, Rocket Bunny spoiler installed, and LJ said he's finished with the side too. Dang! He makes light work of this stuff. If you guys are curious to see any of LJ's builds, follow him on the social media. Post it right here. I'll give you guys a second. Check it out. He has as many cars as I do. So, control arms are replaced, no more gash. LJ, appreciate it, homie. Thank you, thank you. Eat some chicken. Yo, this is why this kid is so loud. I actually didn't know he was running AWE. And it's the same finish that we got for the Supra, but of course, quad exhaust. Man, looks good though. So, I ended up giving LJ the lip gurney, or the spoiler gurney that I was gonna try and fit on the Street Hunter wing, but it's actually meant for his car. It's for this particular spoiler. Like, it has the same curvatures and everything, so better on this one.
Thanks, Birdie.
Oh shit, try again. Smothered it with 3M on the bottom. I think that's how you have to do it, man.
How much of a gap you have, or if it's like that.
So like, let's stick the back one first. It looks good from here.
It looks good from the front, man. It just completes it. And it looks OEM.
Oh yeah, god.
Just like adds another level. Yo, that's cool. Yeah, from the back too.
The back here looks amazing.
Alright, gonna go for a quick rip in the Subaru to test this thing out. Guess shotgun. Yee-hoo! Safety first, kiddos.
What safety? Okay. Sport sharp. We gotta turn off traction.
Man,
Need some more power.
yeah, this guy's in the search for more. It's never enough.
Never.
Woo! Yeah, she's a beast. Woo! 10 cents.
It's your lucky day.
Hell yeah.
Was it fast?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
You wanna drive it?
Okay.
Give it a shot. You're probably used to this kind of drift spec.
Dude, no man. I'm used to like broken ass E36s.
Yeah. See if he can engage into first gear. A smile on his face. That's it, man. Woo!
Wait, where do you want it?
That's actually good, man. And then just turn the wheel slightly to the left. Oh, to your left. Yep, that should be good. Sweet. Yes, with the new duckbill. Oh, you're already looking for engines.
But for $1,000.
All right, let's take your first spin. Larry's trying to make him buy an Altezza. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna just end this video, call it an early one. So that's a couple more things off the list. That Rocket Bunny spoiler though, you know me as an artist, I care about physical aesthetic. It's just for looks, and I'm definitely sure we're gonna end up buying the diffuser, the Rocket Bunny diffuser, because it'll cover this rock guard perfectly. I think it starts with this. Actually, there's a little line here. It's just gonna finish the rear end, but with this body, since it's such a super clean shell, I'm not gonna cut it up, okay? Everyone's like, wide body. Nah, it's not gonna happen, man. Not with this one, it's too clean. I like the curves, so we'll keep it sleek. Main reason why I went with this too is because of the sleek headlights. This was one of the features that drew me in, man. Yee. All right, shall we? Let me show you guys. Okay.
I like how you simmed it though.
There's absolutely no space back here whatsoever. Rear seat delete.
Why is the ECU just chilling on the ground?
Yo, yeah, I know, right? There's supposed to be no passenger.
Thank you.
Oh, I can love this car.
One J for LJ! I dare you, man.
Dude, I'm not used to right-hand drive cars. I keep on going on that way.
my left. Like 2 more minutes maybe. Fuck. No space. Okay, that's it. That's it. Woo! She rips, man. And of course, if you guys want to cop some KMR merch, head over to kingsmustaraz.com. We're having a sale on all of our hoodies, so go grab your cake. I'm just end the video. Thank you for watching. And if you want to get updated when new videos come out on this channel, hit that sub button with notification button tick. Drop a like, leave some good vibes in the comments, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. Yeah, thanks again for the help, homie.
Yeah, man.
Appreciate it. Follow this guy on the social medias.
Yeah, I need followers.
Need more cars. Dude, you really should start your YouTube channel.
I did, dude. I have a video right now.
Oh, nice. Yo, I think you and your crew would kill it, man. And speak in Tagalog.